Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate chip cookies without vanilla extract. Don't worry, you can still achieve delicious results. We'll explore some fantastic substitutes that bring unique flavors to your cookies. Consider using almond extract for a nutty twist, but remember to use only 1/4 the amount. Maple syrup is another great option, adding a warm sweetness, and you can use an equal amount. Or try a half teaspoon of coffee powder to deepen the chocolate flavor. Beyond substitutes, you can boost your cookie's flavor profile with other ingredients. A small pinch of salt is crucial. It balances the sweetness and makes all the other flavors pop. Using brown sugar instead of or in addition to white sugar will add a wonderful caramel note and keep your cookies moist. For an extra layer of texture and taste, try adding some toasted nuts like pecans or walnuts to your dough. Making a few simple recipe adjustments can also elevate your cookies. Don't be shy about increasing the amount of chocolate chips for an even richer, more intense chocolate experience. A dash of warm spices, like cinnamon or nutmeg, can introduce a lovely subtle complexity. And always opt for high-quality butter. It forms the foundation of your cookie's flavor, making a significant difference in the final taste. Finally, some baking tips to ensure your cookies turn out perfectly. Chilling your cookie dough for at least 30 minutes is a game changer. It helps prevent spreading and concentrates the flavors. Bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 9 to 11 minutes, keeping an eye on the edges for a golden brown. Let them cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before transferring, ensuring they set properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.